Hi, my name is Adam Chahara,
And I'm Julia Telford.
and in this video, we wanted to go around our local community and see how pollution was affecting us in our hometown, as opposed to seeing it on the news all the time. And we just wanted to see how it impacted us. I grew up on the shoreline in Connecticut, in a small town called Westbrook. Our population's only about 7,000, and even though it's such a small town, I wanted to see if I could find a lot of trash. It doesn't exactly compare to any of the bigger cities in Connecticut like New Haven or Hartford, but Westbrook is still in the direct center of Connecticut on the shoreline, so I figured there should be plenty of ocean pollution, right?
My expectations for the beach were pretty low since there is usually lots of trash and debris laying around. However, today the beach was clean, perhaps one of the few places untouched by litter. Since Westbrook's population triples in the summer, that's when the littering is at its worst. The tide had also just come in while we were filming, so the water most likely pulled out any debris that was near the shore.
The fact that the beaches are clean here is great, though this surprised me because as a kid I would always see empty soda cans or cigarette butts or glass bottles. Now it seems like things are changing. According to the United States National Park Service, this is how long it takes for each of these materials to biodegrade. After our trip to the town beach, we visited Messerschmitt Pond. Unfortunately, the park did not compare to the town beach whatsoever. The area is supposedly managed. However, I didn't see any signs of that. I wouldn't say the area is terribly polluted. However, if you take a closer look, you can see the trash blending in plain sight.
Going deeper into the park, we found that the litter continues into the woods, with various bottles, wrappers, and other debris wedging themselves in plants and crevices in the forest. If this is what hiking trails look like in a small town, imagine the effects pollution has on the rest of the world. In bigger cities with higher populations, the consequences are much more evident.
This chart from ourworldindata.org shows the amount of discarded waste produced throughout time. At first glance, Westbrook might seem like a town that's far from having a pollution problem. But if you take a closer look, you can see that pollution still affects all of us, especially the surrounding wildlife.